Good morning, students and my dear friends. I am Rajkumar Upadhyay as an English teacher in Modern Higher Secondary School for the last 10 years. And for the betterment of students, for the progress of children knowledge, day by day I develop some videos, and I think it will be very helpful for the children. Second thing, I want that my students, friends should speak English also. Many times I observe they listen, they can understand, they can write also, but they are not able to speak English. This is a question mark. How can you speak English? It is important. So my friends, is my advice. First of all, you start thinking in English. Any ideas come in your mind, you start thinking in English that, and you try to listen more and try to speak English in your mind also. If you make sentence in your mind, after some time that sentence will come out naturally from your mouth, so you can speak English very well. It is any language is depend upon practice only, friends. So if you practice, you can speak English sure. Without practice, it is not possible. It is a bitter truth. And this video I am going to make for the students those are studying in 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. In their board examination, in home examination, such type questions are asked every year, and it is very important for them. And those friends, first of all, if you want to understand this, you must watch 2-3 times this. Otherwise, you can't understand. So I am going to give you this idea. So please, you watch it honestly, sincerely, then it will be very useful for you. Friends, just you see, change affirmative sentence to interrogative. Interrogative means question. How can you make a question then? And there are different type of question, but here only with the help of helping verbs you have to make question. Rule is here, if the sentence is in the affirmative. See here, he lives in Vapi. It is affirmative. Rule is there, you have to change it into negative interrogative. I will explain you. First you see the rules. And if it is in negative, then you have to change it into where interrogative. If helping verb is not available, use do, does or did according to the tense. Now you see, he lives in Vapi. He lives in Vapi. Here is no helping verb. It is a present indefinite tense. Lives. So affirmative sentence, make it negative interrogative. Means doesn't he live in Vapi? Does for the third person. He lives in Vapi. Interrogative. Doesn't he live in Vapi? They do not play cricket. It is negative. Make it bare interrogative. They do not play cricket. Do they play cricket? Sonu reads English newspaper. Affirmative sentence, make it negative. Negative. Does Sonu not read English newspaper? Yeah, doesn't Sonu read English newspaper? Aisha speaks English. Affirmative sentence, make it negative interrogative. Does Aisha not speak English? You understand English. Affirmative sentence, make it negative. Do you not understand English? This way, if sentence is affirmative, make negative. And if sentence is negative, make it only interrogative. Don't use not there. They do not play cricket. Do they play cricket? He lives in Vapi. Doesn't he live in Vapi? It is a present indefinite. Now did. He went to Mumbai. Went past indefinite. So use here did. Didn't he go to Mumbai? Yeah, did he not go to Mumbai? He left India. Left past indefinite. So did. If present tense, use do or does. If past tense, use did, because here no helping verb. Here given, if helping verb is not available, use do, does, did. So he left India. Didn't he leave India? Left change into leave. They won the match. Didn't they win the match? Pradeep sir explained math. Explained past indefinite. Didn't Pradeep sir explain math? Next, principal is in the office. Here helping verb is given. So very easy. Isn't principal in the office? Positive sentence, make interrogative, negative interrogative. Helping verb is given here. So is first. Isn't principal in the office? Here is the difference. Here no helping verb. He left India, no helping verb. So past tense, didn't he leave India? And principal is in the office. Helping verb is here. So isn't principal in the office? Next you see. You are right. Here also helping verb is given. Make it in negative interrogative. Aren't you right? Are you not right? Jackson sir is in the class. Is helping verb given? Isn't Jackson sir in the class? Positive, make negative. Helping verb is given, then very easy. If helping verb is not given, then do, does, did. It is the past tense, so did. Next. They are ready to go. Helping verb is given here. Affirmative sentence. Are they not ready to go? Yeah, aren't they ready to go? If affirmative, make negative interrogative. If negative, make positive. Just here, they do not play cricket. Do they play cricket? Negative, make only bare interrogative. If positive, make negative interrogative. Next you see. Office is not open. Not negative. Isn't office open? Okay. Negative, make positive. They are not present in the class. Are they present in the class? If negative, make positive. If positive, make negative. And here helping verb is given, then no problem. If helping verb is not given, use do, does, did. Did with past tense, do and does with present indefinite tense according to the person. With third person, just like he, she, singular name, does. With first person, I, we, you, and third person plural, use do. Just again you see, he lives in Vapi. He, third person, positive, affirmative, doesn't he live in Vapi? Here they do not play cricket, negative, do they play cricket? So this way students, if 2-3 times you understand, you listen, you can speak and you can make sentence very well, and it is very important for you. Again you see, if the sentence is in the affirmative, you have to change it into negative interrogative, and if it is in negative, change it into bare interrogative. And if helping verb is not given, use do, does, did. And if helping verb is given, then don't use do, does, did. Okay students, so change affirmative to interrogative. It is very important for you in your board examination. It is very important. So you watch this video many times, you zoom it, clear and write all the examples in your notebook and try to learn. Any doubts in comment box you can ask me. So my friends, I request you, if you like my video, please share it, subscribe it and give your comment, your feedback. It will be most welcome.